how much preach you have done for you, how many content, how many videos you have shared. Agree or not? So it is very important for all of us to be very honest follower of our teacher. And Miss Bisma, she spoke very well when she gave. She's very good presenter.
No.
Okay, she just needed motivation. And I said to her, I showed her my eyes, I said, Miss, you can do that. And she did that. So, mashallah, competition was really superb, nice, and Mr. Mohtashim had also very nice presentation. I was very happy listening him that come in my area, ask people. So, I want to say that when I go to in his area and ask people who is Mohtashim, they might appreciate it. But when his area people come here and see him, they will make him sit on his head by seeing his performance. So somebody said that coaching is not an introduction area, so I say coaching is an introduction. Because when area people will come here and see you, their way of respecting towards you will change. I can give you 1,000 examples. You can take examples from your teachers. When they used to learn, they were same as you. You can take example from your teacher. Like when he was learning, so he was also famous in the area. But now people respect him. What? People respect him because he is teacher. He is changing students. He is teacher. He is working for students. So your introduction is your first. There are 3 introductions of human being. First is your dressing introduction. First introduction in your life is your wearing introduction. For example, see, they played very nice. I'm not saying they played bad. But when we used to play the competition, Sir knows, Sir Arshan competition was there. So they were very excited. They used to come 1 hour before and they would come to me, Sir, today is my competition, what should I do? I would say, beta, go and give. Before competition, practice time punctuality. When competition used to be there, we would come 1 hour before. Okay, if I perform namaz somewhere at 2 o'clock, so I used to perform especially somewhere else at 1, so that I don't get late. Getting me or not? So time punctuality is also very important. You come, you sit with that. It was just a practice competition. It was just a practice competition, but we need to keep things in our mind. When next time competition team, they should come early. They should sit together. They should discuss the ideas and tell to each other, कि भाई, I will send you first. If that player comes, if that player doesn't come, I will send you second. Strategy, planning is the part of management. And if you want to be successful people, successful student, bring 4 points in your life. First, planning. Second, organizing the plan that you made. Third, controlling. Fourth, motivating. Fifth, leading. Motivation is also very important point in our life. If we are not motivating each other, whoever is coming, playing, we must show our thumb. When I sit there, I am showing thumb. Teachers, they show thumb. Why? Because whoever is playing here, they are our students. They will play tough, we will be happy. They will go in the markets, they will go in other institutions, and they will perform. They will not only shine their parents' name, their name, but also their teacher and institution name. So competition was really good.